Some programs like to know how much time their learners have spent in online learning, or need to know for funding purposes. To view this information, log into the admin portal and then click the Learners tab. Click View Usage Amounts. Results display each user and their time spent both on and off-site. Use the Filter Results tool to limit the output by date. When you have the data you need, you can download a CSV file to sort, format, and save it. The resulting spreadsheet has two tabs. The Summary tab shows each user's total time for the date range you selected. The By Date Time tab shows the time for each usage session separately.